How to replace a colour in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, this one works best when there's one main colour. Here we have a photo with a blue light. I'm going to make a hue saturation adjustment layer. We come down here, click on hue saturation. So you've got this little hand here, click that and click on your colour. Drag the hue slider along so we can see what we're working with. Now we want to adjust these sliders here until it looks right. That looks about right to me. Now we can move our hue slider to change the lighting. This way works best when you have an obvious subject. We're going to use the object selection tool, which can be found here, or you can hit W on your keyboard. If W brings up the wrong selection tool, hold Shift while you press W until you find the right one. Click and drag to highlight your object. We'll be using a hue saturation adjustment layer again. But this time, because we have our subject selected, all we need to do is drag the slider. Subscribe for many more Adobe tips and tricks.